She won't let go. Come on, Michael. Oop. Ow, be careful. You'll hit me in the head. She's looking for the noisemaker.